Hi, my name is Marilyn and I love the Rocky Horror Picture Show. So in this video, I'm going to be transforming into a more pinup 50s inspired version of Frankenfurter. Before we get started, please make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel as well. A full list of all of the products that I use in this video will be in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. Let's get started. I already went ahead and added my base just to give a background to my eyebrows so we don't have to clean them up too much afterwards. So Frankenfurter has these really crazy, straight but kind of sad eyebrows. So I'm just going to go ahead and create those eyebrows with a pencil and then setting it with a liquid liner so that they last all night. To help you out in kind of creating the shape, I would define this eyebrow by its swoop up here in the front and the fact that it's really squared off. And then the arch of the brow is pretty defined. So now I'm just going to go through and clean up my eyebrows. Not that it really matters. I mean, you can leave it pretty messy because his actually are. So when cleaning up down here, you kind of want to create a slant so that the eyebrows are still kind of sad looking and pointing up. Alright, so this is one eye all completed, so I'm just going to go ahead and zoom you in so we can recreate it on the other side. First I'm going to set my eyelid base with a translucent powder so that my eyeshadow application is as smooth as possible. Next, with the gray shadow, I'm adding it all over my lid. Frankenfurter's eye makeup has some wear to it, but to kind of mimic that, I'm going to be defining the crease and the inner brow bone using a black shadow. And going through with eyeshadow to blend it out. Now I'm just lining my eyes with some black pencil and blend it out. For eyeliner, I'm pointing the inner and outer corner into a wing. Once I have all my liner down, I'm going through and blurring out all the edges and lining it up to the other eye. I'm trying to create a very rectangular shape by blending out as much as the black as I can. I'm working on the placement, and then to enhance this even more and to pick up any of the fallout, I'm just cleaning off my face and then adding my concealer. For the face makeup, I'm just adding a white powder to highlight my face. You want it to look kind of cakey, I guess. Frankenfurter's makeup isn't that perfect, so you want to really pack it on dramatically. And to enhance those highlights, I'm going to contour. I almost forgot to add my other lash. This look doesn't really require it, so I'm just putting on some really natural lashes. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips with a black pencil and fill it in with a red lipstick, and that's going to be it. So I already went ahead and started to part off my hair. I just left this front section in the center kind of squared off as much as I could, and I curled the ends of my hair. So the back of my hair isn't that important. I just kind of want it out of the way. So what I'm going to do is put it into a little French twist and then pin all the hair going forward. And to keep it in place, I'm just using a hair comb. For the top of the hair, I'm going to be creating some fluffy curls. And then pinning some down just to give it more definition. Thanks for watching my pinup Frankenfurter tutorial. If you liked this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. For a detailed look of this hair and makeup, you can follow me on Instagram at MarilynMugBeat. I'll see you next time. Bye!